Hey guys, I'm Max Gallagher, and I've been gloving for 2 years, and I'm currently subscribed to Puppet's Patreon called Gloving Academy. As an avid glover and consumer of Puppet's content, something weird has been happening on his socials and primarily on his Patreon episodes. On March 26, 2024, he uploaded this odd video titled, "What is Gloving?" on his YouTube. Aside from the wannabe influencer intro to the video, at 25 seconds he starts coughing. What's weird about this cough is that it's not a normal cough. Actually, I've never heard a cough like that before in my life. Shortly after, on April 1st, on one of his Patreon content, by the way, I'm accepting donations since I'm showing you part of this for free, or you could go subscribe to Puppet's Patreon. In this video titled Remoting, something seemed off. From the weird green color intro to the beginning of the tutorial itself, something seemed odd with Puppet. He was not normal. At 1:17, he even says the line, "It's as if I'm being controlled," but in some weird flanger robot voice, and proceeds to even zone out during his tutorial. I was a little creeped out from this. On his April 8th video on Patreon, Puppet uploads one of his labbing videos. Same weird green intro. I mean, come on, if you're gonna upload something, at least check if the color is right before posting. Anyway, at 4 minutes and 34 seconds, Puppet starts coughing again. At around 15 minutes, coughs again. At this point, I'm really worried about Puppet, and hope he doesn't have the case of the COVID-19. Now this next part is perhaps the most bizarre. On April 15th, in his Patreon video titled, "My Social Media Strategy, Instagram," at 19 minutes and 44 seconds, he scrolls down his Instagram page and finds a piece of content he doesn't remember uploading about limitation, and starts having another coughing episode. And finally, at April 22nd, Puppet uploads this weird video indicating that due to illness, he wasn't able to record content and instead uploaded a video of one of his classes he did in the past. As a Puppet fan, I'm extremely worried. What is actually happening to Puppet?